Hi, everybody. Random creativity is one of the things I love about Midjourney. Use the sref random parameter to explore a variety of styles. This parameter is particularly helpful when you want to experiment with unexpected outcomes or discover new stylistic directions without brainstorming stylistic elements as textual descriptions. When you include --sref random in your prompt, Midjourney applies a randomly selected style reference to your image generation process. These styles are pulled from billions of existing styles within Midjourney. The randomness ensures that each generated image has a unique aesthetic, even when the same prompt is used repeatedly. It's an effective way to discover novel visual interpretations. Basic syntax. Add --sref random at the end of your prompt. For example, a girl running through a field of sunflowers, --sref random. The parameter will generate that image with a random style applied by Midjourney. Iterative exploration. Generate multiple variations to explore different styles. Rerun the prompt with sref random again to see how the random styles influence the images differently each time. Benefits of using sref random. Creativity boost. It inspires creativity by introducing styles you might not have thought of, helping you break out of stylistic ruts. Broad exploration. Ideal for brainstorming or mood board creation as it provides diverse interpretations of your concept. Time saving. Instead of manually experimenting with different style keywords, sref random automates the process of stylistic variation. Using the random seed number, in your final output, the random value will be substituted with a specific style reference seed number. You can apply that style reference seed in future prompts to create images with that style. To sum up, the sref random parameter unlocks new creative directions in Midjourney. By experimenting with this feature, you can generate a wide range of styles to find inspiration in unexpected places. Once you've landed on a style you like, use the generated style reference seed to replicate that aesthetic in future prompts. Enjoy creating images.